Alright, so you're going to preheat your wok a little bit on medium high. I'm going to use some vegetable broth for sauteing my onions and garlic. This is my first time making homemade fried rice, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna saute this for a couple minutes. Alright, the onions are looking transparent now, so I'm gonna add the rest of our vegetables and a little bit more vegetable broth to keep it from sticking. Use your vegetables of choice. I decided that I'm going to add some baby spinach to mine as well. After you get your vegetables cooked down to the consistency that you want, you can add your rice. Now I'm going to add a tiny little bit of rice wine vinegar to give it a little bit of that sushi taste, sushi rice taste. Just a few drops. Stir that up. Island soyaki from Trader Joe's. I have never tried this before, so crossing my fingers that it's really good. I've heard that it's good. Smells great. Probably like 3 tablespoons or so worth of that. To start off to see how much it saturates it. Oh, it smells really good. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. Since everything is cooked and now we're just combining. I'm gonna add a bit of black pepper to mine, because I like black pepper in my fried rice. Now would be the time to taste it and see if you want to add in any extra soy sauce or teriyaki sauce. Hi guys! It's good. But I'm going to add just a little bit more sauce. Maybe a lot more sauce. I like things saucy. I'm going to garnish with my green onions.